Hello guys! Good evening sa inyong lahat. So, andito kami ngayon sa Lati kasi mag-Happy kami guys. And alam nyo ba, sobrang haba ng pila doon. Dito pa kami sa kabilang side ng road, naghihintay na mag-open yung door. Mamaya na ako pupunta doon guys pag nag-open na yung door. Kahit na doon ako sa pinakalikod, okay lang. Kasi palagi naman akong nasa huli guys. It doesn't matter talaga yun sa pila. Pag nasa pinakahuli, mas okay. So, kahit ano lang na mabili ko today, guys, for worth 10 euros dito sa Habiki, okay na sa amin yun. Yeah. Since meron naman kaming pinuntahan dito sa cities, kaya dumiretso na lang din kami ngayon. At puti na lang, may mga dala kaming bags na pwede namin paglagyan na pagkain na galing dito sa Habiki. So, open na yung door, guys, ng Habiki Ruakapayka. And, pupunta na rin ako doon. Sobrang daming mga tao, guys, na nasa pila. Abot hanggang doon sa likod banda, oh. But it's okay. Mamaya na ako papasok guys kapag nandyan na yung pinakahuli sa may door banda kasi malamig eh. Yan. Maghihintay lang ako dito sa may sasakyan. Dito na ako guys sa pinakalikod ako. Nung pinakalas. Sini ko dyan lang sa labas. Ayun sila ni Anika sa labas. Dyan lang sila nagpark sa labas lang mismo. Pero sobrang dami pa rin tao. Sana marami silang mga herbs kasi kailangan ko ng mga herbs guys. So, papalabas na yung mga tao. Ako is nasa pinakalikod. Dalawang bag ang bitbit ko guys. Ewan ko lang kung ano mabibili ko dito today for worth 10 euros sa Habiki Ruakapayka. Yan, may nadagdag pa sa mga binigay guys. Sobrang dami. Yan. Sobrang puno ng aking bags. Sila din nahihirapan na sila pa na magbitbit ng kanilang mga bags. Sobrang daming tinapay. So yung ibang tinapay bibigay ko dun sa nanay tsaka sa mga kapatid ni Nico. Yan. Dalawang bags guys. Sobrang bigat guys. Hindi ko na kayang bitbitin. Andiyan lang naman si Nico sa baba. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, pasok na lang siya rito para tulungan niya ako kasi hindi ko talaga kayang bitbitin. Sobrang bigat ng bag. Ginuyod ko na lang guys. Hinila ko na lang siya palabas dito sa may door banda kasi na sobrang bigat. Pero yan, napapasok na si Nico dito. Auta minuwa. So heavy. Let's give some bread to mom. So many. Nee, that's very good. And that is like very good raisin. Yes, that's very good tasting bread. Kitos! Yaksat ko kanta. Ang bigat guys. Yan. Grabe guys, sobrang dilim ng video. But yeah, sobrang dami namin na pamili today for worth 10 euros. Hindi ko na kayang bitbitin. So, sobrang dami ng tinapay guys. Hindi na yun magkakasya sa freezer namin or sa ref namin. Kaya tatawagan namin yung mother-in-law ko. Tapos sa kapatid din ni Nico, bibigyan namin sila ng tinapay. Kasi napakasayang guys. And sobrang sasarap ng mga tinapay na yun. Yung resumes. Ay, yun talagang sinigurado ko. Kasi yung tiga-apat lang siya sa isang bag. That is almost 2 euros. Sobrang sarap ng tinapay na yun. Yung dark bread. So ngayon tatawagan niya na yung aking mother-in-law. Kasi last time, binigay namin yung ibang tinapay sa kanya guys. Yung mother-in-law ko guys is may kausap sa phone. Sabi ni Nico, nag-chismis daw nanay niya. What's the latest daw? Just be a marimar. Your mom is also gossiping. Same like you. Pagod din si Nico guys. Ako din. Sobrang pagod na pagod. Kaya gusto ko nang umuwi talaga magpahinga. But of course, bago yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat ng napamili natin for worth 10 euros. As in guys, ma-amaze na naman kasi sobrang dami talaga. Nakaka-amaze talaga yung Habiki Ruaka. Tayo ditong dalawang cherry tomatoes. There's some few pieces na merong sira sa loob. Kaya ito andoon sa Habiki. Can we put this in the what you call this? Bioyate right away. Dito is merong dalawang sira guys. Kaya ito andoon sa Habiki. But yeah, ida-dry ko ito tapos isusok ko siya sa olive oil kasi last time nakakuha tayo ng tomatoes guys. No, nakakuha tayo ng olive oil na white light totohon in the middle. Nakakuha tayo ng olive oil last time and pwede ko yung gamitin for my cherry tomatoes. This is okay. It's not bad at all. There's one piece, merong isang piraso. There's only one piece that is bad. And that was it. Maybe this one is also bad. The rest of it is okay. Ito naman, kasi ito nakapackage kasi lahat ng mga ano guys, pagkain. Ito naman.
What is that?
Cherry tomatoes. You can just snack it, like eat right away.
Oh.
Yeah. And then, yung cherry tomatoes, nabasa niya itong ano, chili peppers naman ito guys. Mga different kinds of chili peppers. Tanggalin ko na lang yung plastic. Ayan. Andun ito sa Haviki. Ayan oh. We can put it there together with the fruits and vegetables. Tapos nung palabas na ako, binigyan nila ako ng Lipton mango iced tea. It's like a juice iced tea. Put in the jar or in a jug. And then this is 1 liter. You just sekoita it. You don't need to add sugar.
I think this is not yet expired because it's
yeah, because like it's packed like this.
Dry or something.
Yeah, but in Finland, everything expires, you know.
Even salt.
Even salt expires. Last time we got salt.
And drying puru.
The porridge, the one for the puro, what you call it? Lugaw. Yung mga oats. It was expired because the packaging got damaged and that was it. I don't even understand. Even your mom is like buying a lot of oats. And she said it's good to buy them and store it because it can store it for a longer time. But in the store, guys, because of the packaging, you know, they always need to have this due date or like an expiration date. That's one of the reasons. So we have 3 of this iced tea. I want to try that one right away tonight. And we have tea.
It's like a Himalayan salt. It has been there in the mountain like 10,000, 100,000 of years. When it's come into shop, it's get expired 2 years.
Yeah. It's crazy, right? So we have a lot of tea. This is a flavored black tea, guys. So meron siyang different flavor. Meron dito. There's a, what is this? I don't know what is it. But it's flavored. Uskulunen Ustava. What is Uskulunen Ustava?
Like a loyal friend.
Loyal friend.
Like
Visastente.
Tea of the wisest.
Oh, tea of the wisest? So if I drink this purple tea, I'll become wise? How about this one? The orange, Uskulinen. And this one, Sade Paivan Ilo.
For rainy day, like
what is Ilo?
Happy or
this is a Caribbean Aurinko. It's a Caribbean, like a sunshine or sunlight. So there's like 4 flavors of different kinds of black tea. Oh, this is a good pair for our cake. Coffee and cake, diba? And then I got this one, Kotilei Pomo, white bread, but we are not going to eat this one right away. I want to dry this one, and I'll make some recipe with this. So, ida-dry natin to guys, and gagawa tayo ng something gamit tong white bread na to. Tapos, meron pa ditong another bag of this chili peppers. I'm going to soak this one in etika or vinegar. Put it there, Daddy. Si Nico, taga-kain lang talaga yun siya, guys. Pati si Anika, guys. Ditong dalawang, guys. Yan, si Anika kumukuha din siya ng blueberries. You like that?
Yeah.
So, meron tayo ditong dalawang saw na palviking core. Yung ham, guys, pampalaman sa tinapay. Naganayin natin yan saan. Meron tayo ditong hunaya, minuti suikale. Ito is pork. Ito siya guys na meron siyang honey. So lulutuin ko to agad-agad tonight. Ito na yung magiging pagkain namin bukas. Ayan, dalawa. Tapos we have here, gusto niya talagang ayusin. Barbecue chicken pizza. Ayan. We can eat this one tonight right away. And then we have paprika. Put it there, Daddy. Paprika. More of this cherry tomatoes na orange. Ayan. Orange cherry tomatoes. Marami pala itong kamatis. Ay, ito pa nabasa. Ito kasi, meron kasi sa isang box dito na cherry tomatoes, guys. Nasira yung laman niya, yung isang piraso. Kaya, nagbasa siya ba? Saan ba yun? Oh, ito. So, ito pa, meron pa rin cherry tomato dito. And there's one piece that's been broken. That's why it's there in Haviki. So, let's throw that in the bio waste. But this one, I'm going to dry this and soak this in olive oil. And we will use it for cooking. Yes. The way I will dry this is not through a dryer. I'll dry it sa taas ng aming cooker. No, not there. Just the side. Because it's hot there. That is hot area. So, it's good. Same like what I did with the peppers last time.
Okay.
Ito. Naubos na ni Nico and Anika yung guys. So, ito. Dalawa lang ang sira. Ayun pa, isa dito sa loob. Let's throw this here. Let's just take a plastic later, ha? Yeah. Sibon. Okay. And then more peppers in here. Peppers. This one too, I can just smoke this. Like, smoke it there on top. Kasi pag nasunog yan, smoke na rin yan siya, guys. And soak it in olive oil. And that's very good for, cooking. Meron pang sweet peppers. Paprika.
Nakapal yung paprika.
And then, light bread. This is the only light bread that I got that we can eat right away. The other one, I will use this for some kind of recipe. And there are more bread, guys. Diba? Even though Nico gave a lot of bread to my mother-in-law, to Nico's mom, marami pa rin kaming natira para sa amin. Tapos meron tayo ditong mga not so good looking anymore na mga basil, but this is still okay because I'm gonna add that one to my chili pepper and oil na na preserve. So, meron tayong tatlo dyan. And then we have this cheese. This is good for pecorino romano. This is good for pasta, on top of the pasta. Yan, dalawa. We have 2 of that. And then we have kebab. Moreya Yanopea kebab curry. This is chicken kebab. We can also make this one right away food. Ayan, we have many food. And then we have some bananas. We still have some bananas from last time. I'm gonna make it into smoothie. Oh, kinuha na ni Anika yung isang banana. Anika already started eating the other banana. Is it good?
Yeah.
Diba? And we have a yogurt in here. Cray Kalanian yogurt. Ayan, dalawa. And then, the last 2 items is this Hedelma tea or vegetable tea with tea siya with fruits and with fruits. Tea with fruits like apple and grapes. And then meron tayo ditong Omena Rupale Pauluka. So meron tayong apple, grapes, and lingonberry juice. Ayan. So, mixed juice ito siya, guys. So, ganito karami ang napamili namin today for worth 10 euros sa Haviki Ruwaka. Where can we buy this one? Like this much amount of food in the Haviki? None other place. There, you remember, Daddy, one day, somebody make a comment, like, into your friends group. Like, they don't buy any more juice when they go grocery. Why they don't buy juice?
It's so expensive.
Everything is expensive in Finland, guys. I think all around the world, everything is expensive. Lahat ng tao nagbabawas ng mga bilihin nila, ginagastos nila, tinitipid nila kasi nga mahirap. Hindi naman talaga tayo lahat nakakabili ng nabibili ng ibang tao. Sarap daw, sabi ni Anika. Kaya sabi ni, you offered something like an alternative for them, right? You watched it first, Anika? Nico gave the option about the church and this Havikiri Wakapaika na binibigay siya or in-offer siya ng tuki apo uhudistus. Kung saan makakabili ka nga ng pagkain for worth 10 euros and doon sa church, sa Helontai Seurakunta sa Holola, kung saan makakakuha sila ng pagkain for free, pupila lang sila doon. So, Anika opened her own box of blueberries. We have 11. How many box can you eat?
No, I don't know.
Yan na lang ang natira.
Just go by filming.
Yeah.
We have 2 mouse in the house.
2 mouse. Can you imagine if we buy this much amount of berries, guys? We don't have money. We're buying 11 boxes.
If you buy all this like
11 boxes of blueberries is like almost 50 euros.
Like yeah, if you do it like very often.
If you do it often. Like for us, like we love berries and fruits. So, it means like we really need to consume a lot. So, si Anika guys, nanonood ng TV. And she's also watching and eating. Oh, tingnan nyo, ubos na. 1 bowl of blueberry and raspberry. We still have 1 raspberry left. Yeah. Yeah, but that's it, guys. Nico is the one going to clean this one. But I'm gonna make some of the food so it's ready for tomorrow. And then, ipan-fry lang naman yun siya. Karne lang yun, hindi na siguro nalalagyan ng iba pa. And that was it, guys. Ganun lang kasimple. We have a lot of food enough for us for this week. Even in the fridge, we have a lot. But yeah, we will save as much as we can what we have in here, guys. All of this will not go to waste, of course. Kasi pinipilian din namin. Like, ito mga ganito yogurt. Ako talaga ang hilig dito. So, this will finish right away. But yeah, we're so happy. Guys, thank you so much for watching our vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And Nico's channel. What's the name of your channel, Daddy?
Lindeman's Outdoors.
Lindeman's Outdoors, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ingat kayo palagi. We'll see you again next time. Hey, hey! First of all, lahat ng to, guys, nanggaling to sa Haviki. Pati ito, nanggaling pa to sa church. Ayan, oh, lalagay natin dyan. Lagyan din natin yan ng peppers. Bawang na rin, nanggaling sa Haviki. Ayan, guys, halo-haloin lang natin yan lahat. Tapos, yan na yung ating pagkain. Hindi ko na yan mag-sequence, guys, kasi pagdating sa tiyan, matutunaw din yan. Oh, diba? Ganyan lang kasimple, guys, magluto. Hindi na kailangan mag-inerte kaya pobre mantap. Oh, diba? Ganyan lang kasimple, guys, ang pagkain namin. Stir fry lang ito, guys. Di pa ito naluto ang chicken kasi ikapoy na ako, guys. But yan, mabilisan, naluto.